This is a washing machine that has a small issue, which I'm going to discuss with you. First, I'll plug it into the socket to power the washer. As soon as I switch it on, the machine turns on directly. Now, I'll try changing its program. However, no program in this washing machine is changing, which means its panel is stuck. None of its buttons are working, not even the pause button. I've brought the machine to the workshop because it has some additional problems that need fixing. Let's focus on this particular issue for now. I'll power it on. The machine is turned on, but when I rotate the selector switch, no function is selected. This is happening because the company has set a program in it where the program you use gets stored in its memory. For this, it's necessary to refresh or reset it. To reset it, you must press the power button for a few seconds. The machine has now completely turned off. The program that was set in it has been reset, and the memory has been cleared. When I press the power button again, we are now able to select any program on the washing machine. Rotate the selector knob, and you can select any function. I've now selected a new program. When I press the play-pause button, it starts working. However, if I rotate the knob again, no program is selecting again. Now I'll unplug the machine and plug it back in. The machine has turned on again, but the program I had selected earlier is still stored in it, and no function is selectable through the selector knob. This isn't a problem, it's just a feature of the machine. Does your washing machine do something like this? Let me know in the comments. Click on the left or right thumbnail to watch our next videos, and subscribe. Thank you.